Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese foam. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1/2 cup of cold heavy cream, and 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Don't forget a small pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of milk ready to adjust the texture. Having everything prepared makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, let's prepare the cream cheese. Make sure your 2 ounces of cream cheese are at room temperature. This helps prevent lumps. Place it into a medium-sized mixing bowl. Now, add the 2 tablespoons of sugar and the pinch of salt directly into the bowl with the cream cheese. Finally, pour in the 1/2 cup of cold heavy cream and the 1 tablespoon of milk. This combination is key. Now it's time to whip your cheese foam to perfection. Using an electric mixer, start on a medium speed. Whip the mixture continuously for about 2 to 3 minutes. You'll notice it gradually becoming thicker and more voluminous. Keep going until the foam is light, airy, and forms soft peaks. This texture is exactly what we're aiming for in a delicious cheese foam. Finally, let's adjust and serve your homemade cheese foam. Give it a quick taste test and add a tiny bit more sugar if you prefer it sweeter. If you desire a thinner consistency, stir in an additional 1/2 teaspoon of milk at a time. Serve this delightful foam immediately over your favorite iced tea or coffee. Enjoy your perfectly crafted cheese foam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.